Photography is an art of observation. It has little to do with the things you see and everything to do with the way you see it. It helped me to start seeing life. The best part about photography is to transform simple objects into creative art. Turning dining ingredients into photo art by just using a macro lens and one light is something that really excites me. Looking at these images, I feel beauty can be seen in all the things. Seeing and composing the beauty is what separates the snapshot from the photograph. So, there are very few people in life whom I feel that are blessed with when they come to know that what is their passion and they're able to pursue that, and I feel I'm really thankful to God for that. So as I said that when I met you for the first time, that during school days and stuff I was not a bright student at all, which actually worked as an advantage for me because my parents never ever expected me to become a doctor or an engineer or so. In fact, they just thought that even if I just finish my graduation and then I can just get married and stuff, I was really that bad. But what happens is that that's because of the society, because people feel that only if you get academically good percentage, then only you are known to be a bright student. And I think that's exactly what my parents were also feeling that. But I was very clear. I think I remember very well that when I was in my 5th standard, I don't know whether I should mention this or not, but when I was in my 5th standard, my maths teacher came and said, that you're not doing well at all. What are you going to do with your future? You are a complete zero. I stood up in front of my class and I said that when I'll grow, I will hire CAs like you to take care of my business. She threw me out of the class, but I was very clear since that period of time that I wanted to start my own business. I was pretty good with, which I feel that, that every single person is blessed with specific skills. You just need to be able to be open to yourself and be able to understand that what exactly works for you. So I love drawing and painting, which most of the parents do put their children into for drawing and painting with their kids and stuff. But I used to love that. So yeah, as normal, my parents had also put me into drawing classes and stuff during my school days and all. And at that point of time, I had met my drawing teacher. I'd asked him, that which is a profession in drawing and painting where you're able to live a lifestyle of an entrepreneur and you're able to make good money out of it. So he said that there is only commercial arts. So luckily, it was in my 3rd year where I got introduced to an elective of photography. At that point of time, my parents thought that I was a complete loser and a useless person because 10th also I would really passed with a lot of difficulties. And in Sophia also there was nothing, like I was not like one of the brightest student in the class. Photography was not known to be a great profession. It was completely glamorous where it's a lot to do with smoking and drinking and so it's a different world, and I come from a business Gujarati family, so they didn't understand feel what it was. But I was very stubborn. I told him I am going to go. He said that do whatever you want, and he actually called the Indian Express art director and told him that please don't give her any hopes because she's a loser, she's good for nothing, which I didn't know about it. So anyhow, I fought. And then I went, my mom accompanied with me for that, my first shoot. She was also frustrated. She was like, I don't know what is she doing. I didn't go at 5, I went at 10 in the morning. I took the pictures, those 30 images, whatever I could take in the one roll and stuff. I took the pictures, I took it to the Indian Express art director. I just had to give her the film. And so I told my parents, I proved my mom, that see, I'm not doing anything wrong. This is exactly which I wanted to do. Nothing, I forgot about that story. My parents also forgot. I thought that this is not going to happen anything. 10 to 12 days later, I got a call from her and she said that can you come to the office. They had developed my role and the CEO and they loved the picture so much that for the first time they launched the photography magazine rather than the artistic. So the first role what I had captured in my life without even knowing about it, it got printed into a full-fledged magazine with my name, Shraddha Kadakia Photography into it, and they paid me also some 7.5 grand. So that was a big change for me because for the first time in my life I was actually appreciated for the work what I did, and I got identification for that. So I took that first paycheck and I gave it to my father, and from that day till now, I think the only most supportive man in my life has been my father and my mom. I think today whatever I am is because my parents have really been there for me throughout my journey.